welcome back. So this is a video series on Google Colab, and in our last video we saw about what Google Colab is and how through browsers we can utilize Google Colab to write codes related to machine learning, data analysis, okay, even Python codes on that, okay, for any project or for any hackathon on Kaggle. So all those things we can do through Google Colab. So the second series in that introduction is about benefits of Google Colab. So Colab is a free Jupyter notebook environment, right, that runs entirely in the cloud. It's very flexible. We can do configuration, and we have a free compute engine available to run our code. We have some pre-installed libraries also like TensorFlow, scikit-learn, matplotlib available within our Google Colab environment within this compute engine. Other than that, we can install more packages within our Google Colab environment. That packages could be any Python package that we want to utilize, like beautiful soup for scraping some websites or data from the websites, like that. We can also connect with Google Drive. From Git, we can also pull the codes, our code snippet or the files. Also, we can leverage like bash commands, like Linux commands that we want to run. We can also run that in that environment. Okay, so these many benefits we have. If I have to note down in bullet points like what all the benefits we have in the Google Colab, we can write and execute our code in Python, document our code also. Then we can upload and share these notebooks via Google Drive. Also, we can import any existing notebook or save the notebook to our Google Drive. We can publish the notebook to GitHub directly, okay, through Google Colab. Also, we can import external databases from Kaggle. We can integrate PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, okay, these kind of Python packages to do different kinds of projects. We can also use free cloud service for TPU and GPU. So those are the benefits we have related to our Google Colab compute engine. So viewers, please remain with me throughout this session, and you will get the benefit, and you will learn how you can leverage this Google Colab notebook, Jupyter notebook environment to do beautiful projects on Python, awesome projects on Python. Thank you. Bye-bye.